What is digestion? Digestion, the process of breaking down of complex substances into simple substances with the help of enzymes and absorbed into the body is called digestion. What is peristaltic movement? It is peristaltic movement is involuntary movement. After taking food into the mouth, buccal cavity, inside buccal cavity, we crushing the food with teeth. After mixing with saliva, we mastication this food into the esophagus. Once entering food into esophagus, we can't control it. The movement is involuntary. Such movement is known as peristaltic movement. Peristaltic movement, the soft food mixed with saliva passes through esophagus or food pipe by wave-like movements called peristaltic movement. From esophagus to anus, the food moves esophagus to stomach, stomach to small intestine to large intestine, from large intestine to outside to anus. All movement is peristaltic movement. These are involuntary movements. We not able to control this movement. So children, students, remember this peristaltic movement. What is mastication? Mastication. Food is cut and crushed by our teeth in the mouth and mixed with saliva to make it wet and slippery called as mastication. This slippery and masticated food called as bolus. After crushing the food with teeth and mixing with saliva, we engulf into esophagus. This process is known as mastication. What is chyme? Children, you remember this name, bolus and chyme. Bolus is formed in the buccal cavity. Chyme is formed in stomach. What is chyme? Now we going to learn. Chyme, food in the form of a soft, slimy substance where some proteins and carbohydrates have already been broken down is called chyme. This process occurs in the stomach. What is emulsification? Emulsification is a process. It is done by bile juice. Bile juice is produced in the liver gland. This bile juice not having any enzymes. Even though bile juice not having any enzymes, it helps in the digestion of fats. This bile juice degrades the fats molecule into small molecules. The process is known as emulsification. This process occurred in the small intestine. First part of small intestine is the duodenum. In the duodenum, this emulsification process is occur. Emulsification fats are digested by converting them into small globule-like forms by the help of the bile juice secreted from liver. The process is called emulsification. Students, you must remember what is bolus, what is chyme, and what is emulsification. These are the important steps in digestive process. What is absorption? After digestion, the complex molecules of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats converted into simpler molecules like glucose, fatty acids, and amino acids. After completion of digestion, these simpler molecules absorbed into blood. The process of absorption of Digested food nutrients into blood is called absorption. This absorption takes place in the small intestines through finger-like structures called as villi. Now we know the definition of absorption. Absorption, transport of the products of digestion from the intestine into blood through the wall of intestine is called absorption. Are you clear about absorption?
Our channel motto is natural learning and joyful learning. Thank you.